Hello people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I made this very low budget bitter leaf soup. So I use these ingredients. This is already cooked beef parts. That's Palmoil skin, liver, shaki, towel or tripe. And here I have salt, bouillon seasoning, chopped onions, and fermented oil seeds known as Ogiri or Ogiribo. Okay, so this stuff stinks like crazy, man, but it gives the soup a beautiful flavor and a delicious taste. So that's my Panla fish and my chopped habanero peppers and my grounded crayfish, palm oil, of course periwinkles, and stockfish. And this is my blended cocoyam and my washed bitter leaves. Okay, so you can wash this until you're comfortable with how bitter it tastes. I really washed this well, so it's not bitter at all. So I started by adding my already cooked meat parts into or protein parts into my pot, and then I added water, as much water as I wanted in my pot of soup. So I brought that to a boil. Okay, for some reason I skipped, I don't know, my video wasn't turned on, but I added the ogiri, salt, the chopped peppers, and the onions. And this is me adding the blended cocoyams. I skipped all those parts, but you can add them. I just did that and poured this, so there was no time difference in it. And then I added my palm oil. And I allowed my cocoyams to completely dissolve in the water. Okay, so when my cocoyams had finished dissolving in the water, I just stirred that to see the thickness. You can see how thick it looks now. So that's what the cocoyam does, it thickens up the soup. So when I was comfortable with how thick it was, I added my crayfish. If you're not comfortable with how thick the soup looks, you can add more cocoyams and just wait for it to dissolve. And next I added up my washed Panla fish. So I always add my fish towards the end so that it all doesn't disappear in the soup. So I just gave that a quick stir. And I covered that and let it steam for about 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I just added my washed bitter leaves, and basically this is all you need to do. So you see how simple it is. And then I added my periwinkles. Again, I don't like my things disappearing in my soup, so that's why I added this towards the end so that you can still see them. Periwinkles have a way of disappearing in my soups, I don't know why. So guys, this is all you need to do, and you just let this cool down and let the magic work, because if you take pictures immediately after cooking, it doesn't look as good as it looks right now. So this is after about 30 minutes, yeah, and then it thickened up a little bit and it looks much better than it was immediately I turned down the heat. So guys, please try this recipe with your friends, cook it for your family, and let me know the outcome. Okay, you can share with me on my social media. I'll put that in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.